All right, everybody, good morning. I'm showing you. All right, everybody, good morning. I'm showing you my fruit trees, giving you a little update on my yard. This is my Chine jackfruit tree, and I pulled one off yesterday finally. It was delicious. There's one more on this tree this year. I had a lot on here that were growing, but fell off, but one took that I already had. And that's another one right there that's I'm gonna have. And look at this. These are all lemon zest mangoes. Because I took down my tree over there. I'm gonna top work it to something else. Because they were getting this bacterial black spot that didn't feel good about. So over here I have a sweet tart mango tree, and this is a sugarloaf mango tree. And then here's a papaya. This is a cack mango tree, and I just pulled, look at all those. And I just pulled this one off. This is a delicious floral tasting mango from Vietnam called cack, C-A-C. It's very disease resistant. Great mango to have anywhere in South Florida. That's cack. I have a bunch of these growing. These are papayas there and katuk there, and that's sugar apple there. All right. Now this is called a Boca Champadoc. This Boca Champadoc tree is, we can't grow Champadoc here in South Florida, but this. And the first year I had it, it was delicious, but the second year it wasn't that great. But thankfully, the first year I took seeds, and I planted 3 seeds in my yard. This is one of them. That was about 3 years ago, and it's finally got fruit on it. 2 of the 3 have fruit on it, and 1 of the 3 I had to cut back because it was just getting too high into the electrical wires. This here is a white sapote tree. This is a homestead variety. And it has grafts some other varieties on there as well. And I've heard Homestead was a smaller variety, but lately, these don't look too small. A smaller variety, but lately, these don't look too small. And there were about maybe 10 on here this year. Here's some that are a little smaller, but this is Homestead variety white sapote. This is such an underrated fruit, white sapote. Then over here I have a Mamey. This is a Larita Mamey tree. I have various papayas throughout Mamey. This is a Larita Mamey tree. I have various papayas throughout the yard. If you all have any questions, just let me know. This one here, but they both grow here in South Florida. And over here I have a red custard apple. And they're starting to flower. Over here I have an orange sherbet mango. Too close to this persimmon, so I might be moving this one, the orange sherbet. Behind the orange sherbet I have a pace Mamey, which I won't look at the moment. Then over here I have a big fruiting lemon meringue mango, which has been my best mango this year. Lemon meringue. I have 2 actually, 1 and 2 over there. This tree here is it was a cherry tree, but I top worked it. And I top worked it to this variety called Emerald. It's my first year that I'll be getting fruit on that. Quick tour of the yard. Doing excellent this year. Haven't had any off this yet. Doing excellent this year. Haven't had any off this yet because it's a later variety. For those of you that are watching, depending when you're watching, what date, the Mango Festival is coming up June 29th in West Palm Beach, Florida. The Mango Festival's coming up June 29th in West Palm Beach, Florida. So definitely join us for that. Here I have a avocado tree called a Donny. But check this out. This is the highlight of my yard this year. Look at this. Wow. This is black gold jackfruit. The black gold variety of jackfruit. So we haven't had any ripe yet this year, but these are big and the tree is looking amazing. What's up here? This variety is a Miami soursop. No fruit on there yet. I have this Mamey tree here, which is called a pumpkin Mamey. Pumpkin Mamey. Behind there I have my second lemon meringue. Now this tree here is interesting. From worst to first, this was a Dunkin' mango tree, which is great for disease resistance. But I top worked it to my favorite mango, which is Sunrise. And they're just about to come into season here. So half of it's Dunkin' and half it's Sunrise. This is the Dunkin'. Love this tree. This is another one of the seedlings of the Boca Champadoc. But this one I had to cut because the wire's up there. And it's getting fatter in the tree. But no fruit on this one. But I have another one that has fruit. And here's another red custard apple. Then I have a Dupuy avocado here. And then one of my favorite trees in the yard. This is a Redland white sapote. And this tree gives so much fruit every year. I've been picking up a ton of it off the ground. Look. Redland. Redland white sapote. Look. Oh man, this is great. I love this fruit. And I could just pick these all day. I gotta take a bucket and pick these. I'll leave them right here and get a bucket and pick those. That's Redland white sapote. They do great. I had a Rollinia tree here that actually didn't do well, so it died actually. But I put a seedling of a jackfruit, and also I put a jujube there. See how those do. I have another papaya here, Red Lady, and I'm growing watermelon over my septic tank. Then over here, this is China jackfruit. Then over here, this is China jackfruit, another plant. That's when I fell in love with it. They over in my yard. I've heard another spot they fall. This is a Kempong avocado, the full late season avocado. This is a soursop, Home Depot variety. It's loaded. Loaded. Home Depot variety. This is a Catalina avocado. Catalina. Cuban avocado. This is a Denzler white sapote. And here's a Bangkok lemon jackfruit. The yard. As we're starting our day, tomorrow I'll show you the front. And then another day I'll show you the front. And then another day I'll take you over to Mango Land. Oh, here's the other one I didn't show you. Back here. This was the third seedling of the Boca Champadoc. And look at that. That is a big jackfruit growing there. So hopefully these turn out well. I have some various things growing here in pots. And there's one other seedling have here. And it's a seedling of a mango. Not sure which one, but we'll see how that is. All right. Oop. Various papayas around the yard. That's what's growing on out here. And my neighbor has some trees growing. That's what's growing on out here. And my neighbor has some trees growing. That's Pineapple Pleasure. That's Angie. And then I got some various trees that I have for sale here. This is a great one. This is Sermon Cherry, black Sermon Cherry. Not a lot of people have that. And I have various mango trees. Look at all the sweetheart mangoes. And then you could see over there, the other side, which I'll show you tomorrow. That's all my other fruit on the front of the yard. That's why I call this channel Fruitful Trees, folks. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. And have a fruitful day, everybody. You guys got questions? You could always follow up with questions. You could check out my YouTube channel, which is Fruitful Trees. Fruitful Trees on YouTube. Have a great day. Join me tomorrow live for my front